And it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday scenario for 2/14 Valentine's Day or my son's birthday. Happy birthday, Isaiah. Mommy love you to the moon and back. Let's get this going. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to pick up 2 Scott tissue at $5 each. If you buy 2, you get $2 off. So that will be $4 each. Then you're going to pick up 2 Airwick Essential Oil Refills. They are buy one, get one free. And then 1 Febreze Air Mist scent. Okay, let's look at the deals. So we're going to scan our Scott. And it is $5. And you have a $2 manufacturer. Now you also have this deal right here, but we're not going to work on that deal as of yet. Don't forget to scan your 5 off 25. Whenever you see the scissors, tap it, make it a check mark. We're going to scan the Airwick. Okay, let's scan the Airwick. The Airwick is $6.25, and you have a buy one get one free. I'm going to scan the Febreze Air Care, $3.50, and we have a $2 coupon. So let's do the math, okay? So the tissue is $10, so 5 each, plus the Airwick Essential Oils are $6.25 each, and then you have, I need to put a plus sign, and then you have $3.50 for the spray, which leaves you to $26 even. Take your 5 off 25, take your 2 off your Scott, take your 2 off your Febreze Air, then take your $6.25 off of your Airwick Essential. Leave you at $10.75. Divide that by 5, and you're going to pay $2.15 each. Guys, this is $2.15. Now, I know this is a great deal, but unless we're using tissue somewhere else, $2.15 for some tissue, that's an awesome deal. Let's get on to our next deal. Okay, guys, I'm trying to scatter the coupons around a little so we can use them a little different. You're going to pick up 1 Persil at $5.50, your Febreze at $3.50, 2 of the Mr. Cleans, buy one get one, and then 2 Lysols. Buy 2 Lysols, you get $2 off. We're going to scan the things we did not scan. Okay, so let's scan the Persil. The Persil is $5.50. You have a number of coupons. We're going to look at this one right here that expires tomorrow. It's $1.50, okay? Let's scan the Mr. Clean. This one smells awesome too, guys. It's $6, and it also expires tomorrow, and is a buy one get one. We're going to scan the Lysol. The Lysol is $2.75, and you have a coupon that says when you buy 2, you'll save $2. So let's do the math. So $5.50 for the Persil, $3.50 for that Febreze, $6 for each one of the Mr. Cleans, and $2.75 for each one of those Lysols. Take you to $26.50. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $1.50 off your Persil, take your $2 off your Febreze, take your $6 off your Mr. Clean, and take your $2 off your Lysol. Leave us at $10. Now look at this, guys. Divide that by 6 items. You're going to pay $1.66 each, okay? Now, if you have money in your wallet, guys, go to your wallet. I have money in my wallet. Whenever I have money in my wallet, I always use it for these type of deals, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. So make sure you take heed that that's what you're doing, okay? This is a nice cleaning deal, all right? And make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for our best deals for resale when you're using your 5 off 25, because it will be another one because you guys asked me to do one. Let's get to another deal. Okay, guys, let's do a air care deal. You're going to pick up 1 Febreze scent booster, which right here, there you go. You know they go with those, but pick up 1 of those. The $10 $5 coupon. 2 of the Airwick Essential Oils, BOGO, and then 1 Febreze Air, $2.50 off. So we're going to scan this one because that's the one we did not scan. Okay, and that is $10, and you have a $5 coupon that is expiring tomorrow, guys. So let's do the math. So it's $10 for the Febreze scent booster, $6.25 for each one of the Airwicks, then it's $3.50 for the Febreze spray, $26 All right, you got to take your 5 off 25, take your 5 off the Sun Booster, take your 6 off the Airwick, and take your 2 off the Febreze. It's going to leave you at $8. Divide that by 4 products, and you'll be paying $2 each. $2, guys, for this. You need a warmer, and it works awesome with these right here. And let me tell you something, if I could pay $2 for those, that's the great deal that I want to do. Now, let's get to one more deal, and then we're going to get to some substitutes. Okay, guys, let me show you a deal that's right on the money. We hit $25 instantly, okay? So we've scanned both of these. We know that these are buy one, get one, buy one, get one, okay? So let's do the math. So these Airwicks are $6.25 each. The Mr. Cleans are $6 each. Take us to $24.50. Grab you one piece of candy for 50 cents. Put it on there. Take you to $25. You have to be at $25. Please do not say your deal didn't come out and you didn't go to $25. You need to go to $25, guys. Now, you're going to take that 5 off 25. You're going to take that 6 off the Airwick. And that 6 off the Mr. Clean. Leave you at $8. Divide that by 4 items. You're going to pay $2 for them. This is $2, okay? $2. Now don't forget, a substitute you could do is you could do 2 of the Axe deodorants right here. We're gonna scan that one and see what the deal is, okay? And when we scan it, we see it's $5.75, and they gave us a $6 coupon that does not expire until the 28th. So you have some time for that. Now, what I want you to do, guys, is pay attention to your expiring coupon. Those are the coupons that you want to make sure you pay attention to and use. Do not use your expiring coupons, especially if they BOGOs and they cheapies that can lower your out-of-pocket, because that is the name of the game when you're doing a 5 off 25. Don't forget, we have this BOGO right here, and it is the Finish Quantum. Now, you guys, I told you the story about my sister used these, and she doesn't have a dishwasher. She actually dropped them down in her hot dishwasher in her sink, and her dishes come out fabulous, so don't forget that one. Now, what I don't want you guys to forget is that on the Purex, we have a $2 coupon. Let me see if that coupon is still working, because I like to check them and see. $10. Yep. So you have that $2 coupon that's expiring tomorrow. Then you have the spend 15, get $3 off. That's the Dollar General coupon. And then you actually have a manufacturer cash back. Now, we know a Dollar General will pair with any manufacturer. Now, you can use this deal right here. It's an awesome deal. But please know that you have to cover that $3, because that is considered a Dollar General coupon. And you do have some high value coupons on, like Gaines, $19.95. See that? You have a $3 off. You need to cover that $3. That is not a free coupon. You have to cover it, all right? We also have paper coupons. Don't forget, your paper coupons matter, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share our coupon again. Bye.